Math 3, Final Benchmark, Question 43. A lathe produces wooden parts with a mean length of 25 millimeters with a standard deviation of 2 millimeters. If the lengths are normally distributed, what is the approximate probability that a part selected at random would have a length less than 23 millimeters? Alright, so things that stand out to me. It has a standard deviation. It has a mean of 25 millimeters and a standard deviation of 2 millimeters. Alright, so that tells me right now that we are looking at a normal distribution curve. Alright, so we need to first draw our normal distribution curve and then we'll answer the questions. Alright, so our mean goes in the middle. So it says with a mean of 25 millimeters. And then we use our standard deviation to go 3 to the right and 3 to the left. Alright, so 2 millimeters, so this is going to be 27, 29, and 31. And then we go to the left, so we'll go down by 2, 23, 21, and 19. Alright, what is the approximate probability that a part selected at random would have a length less than 23 millimeters? Alright, so we want to know what is the probability of this area here. Everything to the left of that is less than 23 millimeters. Alright, so we know the normal distribution goes in the middle, so this here would be 50%. We also know that the centerpiece, one normal distribution to the left and to the right, is 68%. So if we know this is 50% and we know that this is half of 68, which is 34, all we have to do is 50 minus the 34. So 50% minus 34%, and that leaves us with 16%. So 16% will have a length of less than 23 millimeters. So number 43, the answer is A.